Hello everyone, it's 17th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, which is the world page, we have UK to make refugee stay temporary. Then we have thousands protest crime, corruption in Mexico as Gen Z steps up, agitation. Then we have security tightened in Bangladesh ahead of verdict in Hasina trial. Then we have Netanyahu votes to oppose Palestinian state ahead of key UNSC vote on Gaza. Then we have disability rights. Activist Alice Wrong dies at 51. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Prime Minister Modi to deliver 6th Ramnath Goenka lecture today. Then we have after tax heavens, dirty money finds a new home, cryptocurrency, again very important for in economic perspective. Then we have terror group doctors, neighbor sets self on fire after son picked up, again very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have study links higher emissions in two-wheelers to mileage, recommends scrapage policy overhaul, again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Omar's aide who owned car that blew up arrested, again very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have Uttar delegation in India backs for collaboration in rare earth and tech, again very important for environment as well as international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have African swine fever, Assam bans pork sale in 7 districts, again very important for health perspective. Then we have 2.6 billion in 2024, $15 billion by 2035, growing unchecked, no guardrails, again very important. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is very important for examination perspective, and this is the most important editorial, which is China's dominance rest of on fragile foundations, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the cost of pollution, babies are born asthmatic, getting sicker, again very important for health perspective. Then we have FDI trade diversification can boost export competitiveness, where QCOs failed, again very important. Then we have India Chile to hold 4th round of FTA talks next month, again very important from international relations perspective. Lastly, we have the hurdles in India's fight to eliminate TB, very important for health perspective. Then we have why universities are boycotting global rankings, black boxes work as closed systems, very important for education perspective. Then we have why buying bhang is legal but growing cannabis at home isn't, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have what led to the Gen Z protests in Mexico and behind indigenous people's demand at COP. Both these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.